Hi everyone. Hope everyone's having a good Thursday. I think it's Thursday. The summer's flying by so quickly I'm starting to lose track of the days. I just wanted to do a quick video to thank Ines from Don't Worry Baby Reborn Collective. I think that's the correct name. I just wanted to thank her very, very much for the shout out in her video yesterday. It was very unexpected, but I was very, very honored that she mentioned me because I really admire her and her channel. So it was a very nice surprise yesterday, and I really, really appreciate it. And I've actually had quite a few subscribers since her video, and I've got to talk to a lot of really nice people. So it's been a really good experience. I have baby Tabitha here again today, and she has another one of her many outfits on, and yes, another blue and white outfit. It's by Mud Pie, and you can kind of see her feet peeking out just a little bit. I put her hair up today just for a little bit of a different look. I think it looks cute. She's got her favorite little giraffe as always. And there's Gizmo in the background, sleeping as usual. Anyway, hopefully everybody's having a good day. Like I said, I just wanted to do a short video to thank Ines again very, very much. Hopefully everybody enjoys the rest of your day, and talk to you again soon. Bye.